Hi everyone, welcome to the Coding Zoo. This week's kind of a special week. It's right after Christmas and the holidays. I hope y'all had a good holiday, a good Christmas. We're not doing a lesson today, but we are having a pop quiz. I say pop quiz, but I've kind of been warning the kids for a few weeks, so I guess it's not really a pop quiz, but it's a quiz. So we're going to have a quick quiz. We're going to make a game of it. Hopefully it's fun. I hope you enjoy the lesson. I hope you enjoy the quiz. I definitely encourage you to, quiz yourself or quiz your children. Kind of do something similar. Also, we may have had some hiccups in the video recording. I think I may have chopped part of my head off, maybe like that. So, oops. This is the first time we've used two cameras, so kind of got a little confusing. But hopefully it's viewable. No big deal. Hope you enjoy the video, and I hope to see you next time. Let's get going. Hi everyone, welcome to the Coding Zoo. This is our first quiz on the first 4 lessons, or maybe the first 3 lessons in our HTML series. We decided to make a game of it, try to make it a little bit of fun. The kids have been studying some this week, getting prepared, so we're going to see how it goes. We've got these, I'm sure you've seen it on other videos. My kids have tried it playing games, but we have these Bean Boozled. Is that how you say it, guys?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Bean Boozled?
Yeah, Bean Boozled.
Bean Boozled? Okay. You tasted them before?
Yes.
Pretty
Bad.
good? Pretty bad? Okay. So what flavors do we got? We have spoiled milk coconut. Rotten, so there's good flavors and there's bad flavors, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have spoiled milk coconut, rotten eggs, butter popcorn, dead fish, strawberry banana smoothie, canned dog food, yum, and chocolate pudding, booger, juicy pear, toothpaste, and berry blue. I could do toothpaste. That's not so bad, right?
Yeah.
I'd do that any day over the canned dog food. So I think I'll probably go for the blues. Barf, peach, moldy cheese, caramel coin,
I didn't know.
caramel corn, stinky socks, tutti frutti, lawn clippings. I hope that doesn't include dog poo. Probably not. Probably just lawn like grass.
It's just grass.
Okay, no dog poo. Good. All right, and lime. Yay! So they all look kind of the same. You can't tell.
It's going to smell.
Does it smell?
Yeah. Jai opened before.
Well, I guess it might help if I get it open.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
That's all smell. The delicious.
Oh gosh, that's horrible.
I don't want to smell
Do you
it.
want to smell? Oh my
I can
goodness.
smell the water.
Oh the gosh. Mom, the cameraman, do you want to smell? All right, let's put them in the bowl. All right. Oh, okay, that's enough. Whoa, I'm not even sure I can sit here and smell it. Okay, so the idea of the quiz is I'm going to ask the kids questions, and they've been studying. If one of them gets it right, then I have to pick a candy bean and try to eat it. If one of them gets it wrong, then they have to eat a candy bean. If one gets it right and one gets it wrong, whoever got it wrong has to eat a candy bean. And because somebody else got it right, I have to eat a candy bean with them. Right? So I'm hoping you both get them wrong a lot.
What's a candy
This does not, jelly bean. You know what I'm saying? It's a candy jelly bean. This does not look good.
Wait, you're opening more?
Yeah, just in case. Oh. Woo.
God.
Oh. Oh
This
gosh.
beat
Mom,
me
please
to my
smell.
All right, that's horrible. Okay.
It brings me to my
All right.
back to my dog.
All right. You ready? You ready?
No.
Okay. We got our spit cups here just in case. We're gonna do our best to try to eat them. Water in case you need it.
I'm opening it.
Don't spill anything on the floor
I'm
because
opening
your
it.
mom will kill us. And get ready to write your answers down. I'm not too worried about spelling. So we'll see how many questions we can get through. All right, you guys ready? All right, first question.
Wait, what? Okay.
All right. Can you tell me what is used on a phone or a computer to browse the World Wide Web, Internet? Wishin, you got your answer?
Sure.
Okay, Jay, you almost got yours?
Can I smell that?
Mm-hmm.
You got yours, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Wishin, what's your answer?
HTML page.
Wrong. Jay, what's your
I
answer?
said web page / HTML page.
Okay.
Does that count?
No.
Oh, but it's a web browser.
Web browser. That's the answer. Okay. You got it.
Oh God.
All right,
That's
so-
what it is. It's basically a web
So you would have to eat. You understand?
Mm,
Okay. So you don't have to do it now. That was just a test run.
okay.
Okay. And since you got it partially right, I would probably have to eat one. Okay.
page. Yay.
You guys ready again? Okay. And the ones you miss, you need to study. Okay, guys?
Okay.
All right. All right. I want you to name 3 technologies or languages that are used to program a web page. All right, what do you got, Wei Shun?
CSS, HTML, and JavaScript.
Ah, perfect.
I got JavaScript, HTML, and then CSS.
Let me see. I'm gonna double check you. She got it. All right.
You eat it.
Okay. You both got it right.
No, close your eyes.
I gotta eat a bean.
Close your eyes.
I remember the blue. No, I'm not closing mine.
No,
Sit down.
no, close your eyes.
I remember the blue is. I can't have blue more than once. I'm gonna have it one time. I remember it's toothpaste or something else. It's
It's
pretty good.
good.
Very
Very,
So the-
very blue.
Yeah.
It's good at either way. It's okay. Very blue.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Very
Woo.
blue.
All right.
What is that toothpaste or very blue?
I think that's toothpaste. I actually like it.
It's mint? Does it taste like mint?
No.
Mhm.
Oh, that means it's toothpaste.
Yeah, I liked it. Cool. All right. You ready for this another question?
Oh.
All right. How many tags is an HTML element made up of? And what are they?
What? Wait, can you read the question again?
How many tags
Okay.
is an HTML element made up of?
Oh my.
Okay.
So if you remember, each of the things we do, the H1, the P, those are all elements, and they're made up of how many tags?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your answer, buddy?
HTML tag, heading tag, and body tag. Right.
No, that's an answer to another question.
Oh.
So, Jai, what's your answer?
I said 2 and there's opening and closing tag.
Opening and closing tag 2. There you go. All right, Wishan. You get to eat one, and I get to eat one.
Let me read the one.
Mom's just disgusted in the background. I was like, I feel bad for Billa. Billa can play it.
I can't go for blue. Oh no.
It's going for the safe one, going for the blue.
Okay.
Minty?
You can't,
All right.
do blue, Dad.
All right, I can't do blue. I got a blue. Even if I didn't look, my hands are clean. I'll put it right. All right. Oh.
That's burger or lime, I think. Yeah.
This this is moldy cheese.
That's not moldy cheese.
It's not moldy cheese.
Oh, what is it?
It's lawn clippings or lime.
Lawn clippings or lime? No dog poo.
Does it taste like grass?
That is definitely grass. I can handle the grass. Grass is okay.
How do you do this? Try this one next. This is barf and peach.
We'll try it out in a minute. We'll see. All right, I've been eating grass all my life. I'm a country boy. All right, let's go.
Before. I failed. I'm still doing this.
An HTML page is made of these three main HTML elements.
Or in the bin.
What are they?
I can still know the wall.
So HTML page has many different elements, but there are three main ones that you usually always have. What are they?
I got it.
Okay, go ahead. Nicholas?
HTML tag, heading tag, and body tag.
Good. What you got, Jay?
HTML and
Alright.
body element.
Please, boy.
Alright, what is that? What is that? Somebody help me out.
That's barf.
Oh,
That's
peach.
That's barf or peach.
That's barf.
Please let it be peach.
It's barf. Wait, is it barf?
Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it.
I'm getting out of camera
Don't swallow it.
Okay. That is definitely not peach. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
What's wrong with you?
That's either barf or dead fish.
Where's the receipt?
No, it's either barf or peach. What are you
Oh gosh. Alright, let's go.
I think he might eat the fish too. I can smell your breath.
I can smell your breath. Your breath is bad.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you guys on YouTube can't smell my breath. Okay. We're going to have to move quickly, guys. So let's try to move between the questions quickly so we get most of them. All right. Whew. Ugh. Can you tell me, out of those three tags, what do each of them do? One is good for holding your data. Which one is that? Write it down.
Oh, holding your data?
Uh-huh. The other is good for styling your data.
Oh, okay, wait.
Oh no, I
And the other, so, excuse me, let me rephrase that. We talked about the three different technologies. CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. One is good for holding your data, for having your data, containing it.
Store it.
Storing it. The other is good for styling or formatting, making your data have putting a look around it. And then the other is good for behavior, for giving behavior to your web page.
Okay,
I am still tasting the barf.
I can still smell it.
That might be dead fish.
It's not dead fish, it's
Okay.
Wait, one's style and one's what?
Styling, don't tap.
Okay.
Styling, formatting. Styling and formatting is one. The other is holding data, and the other is giving the page behavior.
Okay, behavior and style and what?
Style, behavior,
And storing data.
and containing, storing data. It contains your data.
Okay.
All right, what do you got, Weishan?
HTML is style?
No.
Okay.
Okay, what else you got?
Heading is behavior?
No, so there's HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Okay, what's your next one?
And body is storing data.
Okay, so I think you got, not a bad try, buddy. I think you got mixed up. We just talked about heading, body, and HTML. And then I asked this question. And then I told you before I asked this question, I said, let me explain. There's three technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But I don't think you heard me say that part. Okay, so you got to listen real closely or you'll miss the question. Okay? So it's one of those three. So you missed it. All right, Jai, your turn.
HTML is stored data. JavaScript is behavior. CSS is style.
Oh, she got it again. All right. We shouldn't I get to eat one.
Oh my.
Woo. Anything to get this, nothing can be as bad as this bar.
Oh, white. Oh, coconut or soy milk.
Give me a white one.
You want to do the coconut or soy
Oh,
milk?
I think this
You
is
first,
soy
buddy.
milk. This is soy milk. That's how it is.
Go ahead.
Open it.
Give it a try. Alright, let's try mine out.
Oh, that's soy milk. I got it in my teeth.
Why do you keep swallowing it?
It's so bad.
Don't swallow it.
Oh gosh, that is worse than barf.
Wait, which one you
That really tastes like spoiled milk. They got these flavors down, man.
Yeah, the one I got.
Oh my gosh. Okay, next question. I need a good bean. All right,
It's so bad.
come on, guys. All right, HTML elements should be written in uppercase. True or false?
Uppercase?
Uppercase, large letters. True or false?
I know what uppercase is.
Okay. Both done?
Yes.
Okay, what do you got, Michelle?
False.
That's right.
Okay, Joey.
False.
All right, good. Great. I almost want a bean just so I can hopefully get a good flavor.
What is
When
that?
I got
Oh, dog food.
That's dog
Oh,
food or chocolate pudding?
yeah. Good night.
It's what or chocolate pudding?
Dog food or chocolate pudding?
Please be chocolate
Canned
pudding.
dog food.
Chocolate pudding. Chocolate pudding.
Cameraman is.
Hello?
Oh, yeah, that's good. All right, got rid of the
Wait, where'd
got rid
my
of the spoiled
cat
milk.
go?
All right, next question.
Where's my cat?
Here we go. Okay, metadata goes in the head element of an HTML document. True or false?
Done.
I'm also done.
What do you got, my son?
True.
True.
I also got true.
All right. Darn it.
Which one?
What is that? Is that white again?
No, that's the yellow one.
What's that?
It's rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Okay.
Is what it am. Oh no, wait. Yes. Wait.
Oh. I am not that strong. I'm sorry.
Well, you managed to eat the barf one.
Oh, barf was the okay one. Give me the grass clippings any day. All right. Oh, we're not. I feel like I just ate some boiled eggs. Oh. Okay. Ugh. All right.
This thing's so bad.
What does the title HTML element do, and where do you put it?
Wait, we did again?
What?
There's an HTML element called title.
Yeah.
What does it do, and where do you put it?
What?
Like where? What? What was the last part? Where do you put it and what?
Yeah, where do you put it? So there's two sections, heading and body.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so there's a title element.
Yeah.
What does it do?
Okay.
And out of the two sections, where do you put it?
I only know half of
Okay,
it.
what's your answer, Wishan?
I only know half of it. You put it in heading tag, that's all I know.
Okay, you don't remember what it does at all?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Wait, put it in heading tag.
Wait, I thought you said heading and body.
Yeah, it's heading or body. What do you have, Jai?
I said I gave the webpage a title in the tab section. Like the tab.
And you put it where?
And the head.
Let me see.
I didn't put the head, but I know what I don't. I didn't put it down, but I said head. I'll put the head. It's in the head, not the body.
What's your answer?
Sounds weird.
So she didn't put the head.
I didn't put head.
You,
I forgot to put head.
you put tab.
I know. It said I put the things in the tab,
Okay.
but it's in the head.
All right. So again, y'all gotta listen closely. I gave you hints. I said head or body.
Yeah.
Tab's not quite the right answer.
I
I think you were thinking head though, right?
Yeah.
But you both got it wrong, right? Because you only got half rights.
Yeah.
All right, since you guys got half right, I'm gonna eat one with you too. Everybody eats a bean.
Oh, God.
Well, I haven't ate anything.
You haven't eaten anything. Jai's first.
I want to do the lime one because I want to see if it's the bean. Is this the lime one?
Oh
Alright.
God.
What do you got, Weishan?
Tutti Frutti stinky socks.
Okay, what is this one?
Oh no.
Huh?
What's that one?
That one's dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
This is dead fish again?
No, you didn't
Oh,
have dead fish. You had
okay.
pork
Yeah,
last time. That's dead fish.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, what do you got,
Help
Jay?
him out.
I got lime or long clipping.
Okay, Johnny first.
Oh.
You got the easy one.
I know.
What is it?
I don't know.
Does it taste like grass?
How do you know what grass tastes?
Oh, you
I
know, she's a
found
city
grass.
girl. She doesn't know what grass tastes like.
I know.
Tomorrow-
I fell down.
You're going outside and you're experiencing a country girl thing. You're gonna eat grass.
Oh, this is stinky socks, I think.
It's just
I
lime.
had it.
It's just lime.
Tastes like soap though.
All right, your turn.
Ooh, Tutti Frutti, that's
Go,
good.
Nicholas. Oh, you eating it? Okay.
It's
Ah,
good.
please, 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 please.
Oh, I don't know. It just tastes like candy.
Oh yeah.
What is
All
it?
right.
Stinky. Wait.
It's strawberry banana smoothie.
Strawberry banana. That's pretty good.
I don't.
All right. Next question. You guys ready?
No, this is good.
It's still in my mouth.
It's good.
All right. I want you to write down the complete HTML element for paragraph.
Paragraph?
For paragraph.
Like the little thing?
HTML element has a little thing.
Like the closing and ending tag thing?
What, for a paragraph?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Billy, you don't need to eat the beans.
Be glad, Bella.
And mommy too, thanks.
Bella wants to play too. You want to play too, don't you? Good girl.
She doesn't know what she's going into though.
Yeah.
We should
I'm
be done.
sorry. Okay.
Okay, let me see.
Um,
Very good.
I'll go there.
I missed
Very good. Come on. What's that one?
I can't see. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
Tutti Frutti. No, wait.
Yeah.
Tutti Frutti is okay. So sweet.
Hello, tell us what's happening.
I can't tell. It could be Tutti Frutti.
Does it taste sweet like a candy?
It's kind of sweet, but it kind of has some bad taste to it too. So
That might be.
I don't know if it's Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. I have a feeling probably Tutti Frutti, but
What?
it does not taste good. All right, next question.
It's okay.
Here we go. All right. What does the paragraph element do?
Stop staring at me. Like,
I don't think this is right, but this is part of it, I think.
we dig it.
All right. So remember in your lessons, I had you write two sentences, and then I put a paragraph around it, tag around it, and then I removed the paragraph tag, and the two lines look different. You don't remember how they look different. You ready, Winston?
Yeah,
Jai, you want to go first?
This is
I
not
said it
right.
separates the paragraphs.
I said separate the
Separates
sentence.
them. Since it separates them, how?
Oh, how?
Okay, when you look at it, what do you see that's different?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, half answers, not full answers. Partially right, we all eat a bean. So it separates the sentences with spacing. Okay, so if you have padding. Okay, listen, hang on. So if you have a sentence, an empty line, and a sentence without a paragraph tag, the browser will put the sentences together. There won't be any spacing between the sentences. If you put paragraph tags around those two lines, and then
It just separates with the
it will
space.
separate them with padding and space. Well, I asked you, how does it separate them? You said, I don't know.
We already said it.
You should half.
Whatever.
I'm going to open it and smell it.
All right, what's
And
that?
then
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
dog food or chocolate pudding.
Again?
Oh, I just bite into it. I can smell it.
You smell it too.
Smell it. No. Giants.
I'm gonna smell it.
I'm not eating
I
that.
don't know what I'm gonna do.
I bit into
All right, come on,
I
guys.
bit into it.
What you got?
I saw my
It's the
teeth.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Side. I got food for you.
Have you gotten one bad one at all yet? Oh my goodness. All right, let's go.
What did you get last time?
All right.
I taste blood.
What?
I want you to tell me what. I want you to write down one HTML element.
Huh?
Oh, excuse me. Write down one heading HTML element. First, write down how many are there.
Oh.
Okay. And I want you to write an example of one.
Wait, I don't understand what.
Okay, so you have a heading element.
Okay.
Remember, you have a heading element. There's so many of them. I want you to write an example of one down, and I want you to tell me how many there are.
I know how many there are, but an example of one?
Yeah.
It's
just
basically like the
write
paragraph
the
one.
tags
Like
down.
the tag thing.
Write the
Like the
tags
paragraph
down.
one. Remember the paragraph one? That one.
Yeah.
Bro.
So this Wishan, not HTML head and body, not head. I'm talking heading, like a title. You understand? You understand what I'm saying?
Sure.
The Pacific Half.
All right.
My fingers.
All right. What do you got, buddy?
There are 6
6 is right. Awesome.
and
Let me see an example.
H1. That's supposed to be a 1. Yeah, that missed it.
Okay, it looks like an I, but
Oops.
I'll accept it. 1.
I asked him for an I. No.
You got H1 through H6, so you okay. All right. All right.
Which one have you not done?
Huh?
Which one have you not
No,
done?
you haven't done this one then.
You haven't
What,
done.
no?
No, wait. No, he hasn't done booger or juicy pear.
Okay, pick it for me. Okay.
It's the dark green one.
Oh,
It's the
okay.
dark
Get it.
All right.
Booger or oh, he's going in. Is it lime or booger? Wait, what is it?
Juicy pear or booger?
Yeah. It's definitely a booger. Boogers are okay. The boogers aren't bad.
It smells spicy.
I can eat the boogers. I don't usually eat boogers, but I can eat the boogers. All right.
You're so mean.
What does the tag? What tag? There's 2 different tags that can make letters thicker and darker. I want you to write down 2 of those tags. Those 2 tags. What are they? Write them down.
We did again.
To make them thicker and darker.
Thicker and darker.
Oh, I don't
It
remember one of them.
can make letters thicker and darker.
I don't even know.
Wait,
why.
do I know how to? Do I have to spell them or how to make the tag?
Just make the tag.
I don't remember the tag. I remember what it is though.
I'm just gonna write what's the name of the tag.
If you remember what it is, you can write the name of the tag, because all good programmers know how to do what? They know how to Google. So if you know what to Google for, you can always find the tag. So if you don't use the tag every day and you forget, hey, that's what Google's for. Okay, so hopefully you wrote the name down or you wrote the tag down. What do you have, Jay?
Emphasize and bold.
No.
Dang it.
Bold is correct. Emphasize is wrong.
Oh, who was it?
Strong is the answer. Emphasize makes it look like cursive.
Oh no.
Sean, what do you have?
I just have gold.
He just has
Oh,
bold.
you just have bold? Eat! Yes! Yes! I finally don't have to eat one.
Yeah, you
You both have to eat one.
How about you show all these?
No blues. No looking anymore. No more looking. Gotta pick one.
What is there?
Come on. Let's go.
Oh, it's not. Oh wait, Daddy has. Oh, it's not in here.
Let's go. Come on, Jay.
Oh, what today? So Steve, butterball called. Wish me luck, Mom.
What am I looking for?
Barf with
Jay,
the
just
barf
pick
and dog food with the worst one. Dog food smells.
Okay, what do you guys got?
Almond.
I got rotten eggs or butter popcorn.
What?
He got rotten egg or butter popcorn. I got bar for what is it called?
Okay, I'll
Peach.
count 3. 1,
I
2,
don't know.
3. Go.
What?
Put it in your mouth.
Alright, I can't tell.
It's pretty good.
Alright.
I couldn't tell for like a second.
Alright.
This is good.
Oh gosh.
This is
Alright, last question.
That's really good.
Last question. You guys ready?
No, the aftertaste.
Okay, so we learned about bold and strong, make letters thicker and darker. The other tag we just talked about was emphasize, that Johnny got wrong, that she put for bold, for strong. Emphasize makes it look cursive-like. Another tag that makes it look cursive-like is called what? Or do the tag or write the name of the tag down.
Was that a question?
Yeah. So.
Wait, what?
So emphasize makes the text look cursive by default, even though you can change it later with CSS. What other tag makes your text look cursive-like? You know, slanted.
I don't remember what it was called.
If you don't remember what it's called, if you remember what the tag looks like, write the beginning tag and the end tag.
No, I don't know that either.
Okay.
I'm just gonna write a random answer. Strong.
The strong was the louder one.
Strong and bold make it look thick and dark.
I said I pick a random
Emphasize makes it look. Emphasize makes it look italics. The italics tag. That's your I tag. Remember the I?
Yes.
Okay. One more bean, guys.
What's green?
Can I just kind of
You're cheating with the blue. Put it back.
No, I haven't had this one yet.
All right, go ahead.
I only like toothpaste, so it
Oh,
doesn't
there's
matter.
9. It's okay. 9's okay.
I'm not qualified.
I know I said it was the last question, but I got one more question.
What?
It's an easy one. If you guys get it, put
Which
it down. If you guys get it right, Daddy will eat 2. Okay?
I don't like toothpaste.
It's just toothpaste. You can't even eat a toothpaste. All right.
So you don't like.
Who is the best programming teacher in the world?
You.
What's your answer, Wishun?
I was so tempted to say that you.
Wrong! Wishun eats. Jai got it right. All right.
I was so tempted to say not you.
I'm going to eat 2. What's this?
Who's pretty stinky socks?
Huh?
Pretty fruity or stinky socks?
Eat it at the same time. Oh, I'm not eating.
I'm
one.
sad. There's no skunk spray or licorice. Then Daddy could have that one.
I just can. What's this one?
Bye
Sure.
for it.
That is stinky socks.
Oh wait, I'm not eating one because I said on purpose.
What's this one again?
Bye for peach.
No, I'm not doing more. What's that one?
Rotten egg
I'm not
or.
doing What's I'm doing that one, yes!
You do.
Alright.
I do all these at once. I'm gonna do once at once.
Alright, put them back.
No.
Alright, so
I take one.
you guys knew some of the questions, not quite all of them. So, good job.
That was
but
on page 4. I didn't even look at page 4.
That's alright. So, but good job. You guys did okay. I think we probably need to maybe practice a little bit outside of the lesson, right? So maybe what we'll start doing is, even though we'll do something in a lesson, you'll have like one homework exercise where you just use the tags you learn each week. You just use them 2 or 3 times, right? It'll only take you like 5 minutes to do, right? Does that make sense? So if you learn, let's say in the next lesson you learn bold and you learn italics, okay? So your homework would be to go and use them 2 more times. Does that make sense? Okay. And you have a week to do that. So that's not too bad, right guys? Right guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So this was fun. Did y'all enjoy it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So this was really fun. I enjoyed it, guys. We plan on having regular quiz sessions, probably every 4 or 5 lessons. We probably will not be eating jelly beans each time, thank goodness, but we'll come up with some new idea. Some way to make it fun, hopefully. And occasionally, hey, we may just have some some quiz time questions, or maybe there'll be prizes or something. I definitely recommend that even though you go through the lessons with us, you're pausing the video and you're programming the lesson with us, to also create another page on the side and just practice. Practice using the element after your session. Do a little homework so you get that element stuck in your head. You know what it does. And at the very least, if you won't be able to remember all of the tags that we go over, but you should have an idea of what it's called or what it looks like, so you can go search and find it. There are a lot of programming languages out there. I've programmed in probably four or five different ones in my career. And I definitely can't remember every single nuance about every programming language. So that's why we have the internet and communities to help us. So you want to have a general idea at least what each language is capable of doing, and then you can Google and find your answer. Of course, it's always good to remember as much as you can, and you do that by doing it day after day after day. So anyway, we hope you enjoy the lessons. This is I'm hoping that the Coding Zoo will be a learning experience for all of us, and I'd love your feedback. What are we doing good so far? Leave a comment below. What do you want us to keep doing? And also, how can we improve it? How can we do things differently that would help you or help your child or help you and your child learn quicker? How can we make the videos better for you? So if you would, that's a kind of a homework assignment for you guys, is to let us know. We'd really appreciate that. Remember, if you enjoy the videos, be sure to like. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to click the bell so you'll get alerts, and spread the word. Programming is an industry that has a lot of positions open. It's a fun thing to do, so we need more programmers. Technology is growing, so I'm hoping that a lot of people will get some learning from this. So, all right, we done, guys?
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.